What's up, guys? It's your boy Kepa, back with another code mode tutorial. Today we are doing more code combat in Computer Science 1. So let's get into code combat. Let's press login. Okay, today we will be getting to a little more advanced in the Computer Science 1. So let's jump right into it. We will be going down to JavaScript, Introduction to Computer Science. We're going to do View Map. Okay, so last time we ended on enemy around here. So we're going to come to fire dancing. So this one's asking us to dodge after four statements. Dodge under 4 statements. As you guys can see, we have something right here that is called a while true. What while true does is that it's a loop where any statement you put under there, it'll just keep going, and going. So what that means is that while true will say move hero move right, except having the hero move right once, it'll do it a bunch of times. So he's moving right. Then we also need to dodge it. So let's run this real quick. He moves right. He moves more right. Okay, so that means we might have to move left. So we're going to put hero moves left, and we're going to press run. Done button's up. But as you can see that it's doing left and right multiple times while it's under the while true loop. So the loop will just make the statements go on over and over again. So we're going to go back to this map. We're going to do dread door. Okay. This right here, we're attacking the door. Last time, we have learned how to attack. If you go over there, we'll put it in the description down below. But last time we did learn how to attack things and how we have to put in the variable. As it says right here, it already has hero attack door. I'm going to delete that. Okay. Once again, we have the while true loop. That means, and up here it says attack the door, and it will take many hits. So we will have to use the while true loop. So we're going to put in hero attack, and then once again we're going to put uppercase DOOR, exactly how the variable is in the parentheses and quotation marks. So we're going to press run. We're attacking the door, we're attacking the door, we're attacking the door. We broke the door. So that's how we can use also attack methods in while true loops. This is based off the while true loops on this tutorial because we really want to show you what happens if, so you don't need to write like 10 lines of code for something you can do in three lines. You know what I mean? So we're gonna do one more level for today. This level will be hopefully a little more challenging. Oh wow, it is. Okay. So I'm gonna press restart right here. So free your friend. Under 7 statements, all humans should survive. So we have a weak door and we have the main door. Okay. So first I am gonna move right. Then I am gonna attack. Door. Since that's the weak door, I have to put weak in front of it. So I am gonna put WEAK, weak door. So then what we're gonna do, we're gonna free our friend and we're gonna move right again. Then we're gonna move down, and then we're going to put that while true loop, and then we're going to end it off here by attacking the door. So, so let's try that. As you can see, I only put enemy name, so I screwed up on that part. Remember, you always got to put the exact same thing what it says over here. As you can see, my mouse over here, it says door. So as you can see, it's going, and we're free. Yay. So it does say done. And yeah. Thank you guys for watching another code mode tutorial. Remember to hit the subscribe, turn on the post notifications every time we are uploading. That will tell you anytime we upload new tutorials, just some cool videos, all of that. Don't forget to follow our Instagram channel at CodeMode-Tutorials. And yeah. And I know a lot of people has been talking about my thing over here. Okay? Make fun of me as much as you want in the comments. Go ahead. And yeah. So that's it for today. Please come back tomorrow for a new video. Kepa out.